Look who got off the waiting list. Hi, my beautiful friends. It is Christina Marie here with the March BOXYLUXE from BOXYCHARM. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty box reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and occasional giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, we will be giving away free beauty products, so make sure that you're stay tuned and subscribed. Your odds are going to be great. If you are new to BOXYCHARM, it is a beauty subscription box, and they usually have some skincare and stuff in there too, and it ships out every month for $21. There's usually 4 to 5 full-size products included in that. You can also kind of upgrade to BOXYLUXE. Now BOXYLUXE is an additional $28.99, but it only ships out quarterly. So, you know, every 3 months you're going to get an additional $28.99 charge, and there's 9 to 10 full-size products in here. The value is over $250, and I also have a link down below if you would like a discount in signing up for BOXYCHARM. So let's dive into this box. Looks like it's, you know, kind of been really rough in the mail here. And then when you get it, it kind of says BOXYCHARM at the top, and all the products are inside. And there's always a card in here that talks about all the different products. And this says La Vie en Rose. I'm super excited because this is my first BOXYLUXE box. And the first thing that I am seeing is this kind of really cool train case here. It's got rose gold, but it's kind of got a little holographic to it. You know, I don't notice a smell or anything. Okay, I notice a smell on the inside. It almost smells a little fishy or kind of chemically. It does have, you know, one of the salt packets that are kind of supposed to help with that, I guess. Here it says BOXYCHARM here, and here's what it looks like on the inside. And what it says about this is just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive BOXYCHARM Cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. You know, I'm going to be doing some traveling in a bit, and this will be fun. I want to tell you guys, I had so much fun last night. I went to the Jimmy Buffett concert and had a blast. I'll put the look in right now of the eye look that I created for that concert. So here we have the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and you could either get this in light to medium or a darker shade. And mine, so you had to fill out a quiz online, kind of like a beauty profile, and then they can curate their boxes, you know, to your skin tone and everything else. So obviously, you know, I have a light complexion, and so I had the lighter shade. Here's kind of what it looks like. And what this says is 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides a seamless for blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering eyeshadows. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. The retail price on this is $45. So this, let's do a couple swatches here. So these are the 2 highlighters. You can see you got one here and one here. This one is the kind of more gold tone, and then the second one is kind of the more coppery colored. And now let's look at the contour. Here's the contour shade, really pretty. And let's grab that blush really quick. I think this blush is going to be a great color for me. And there's that blush color. Obviously, you know, you can blend it out and So yeah, I think I'm gonna really, really love this. I have been wanting to try this. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisture Super Cream. And it is 2 fluid ounces. And it's, you know, it's a pretty good size here, you guys. And it's heavy. And let's open it up. It's all like really thick and creamy in there. So this is developed with plastic surgeons. Confidence in a Cream is your #1 anti-aging moisturizer, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines and wrinkles, and improves your look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. So it's $48 for this is what it retails. And remember, you only spend like $49 on this box. And you already had this that was $45. This is $49, and you know, we're just getting started into this box. So here, ooh, it's really lightweight. And here's what it kind of, just a really soft, I'm loving that. So here's what it kind of looks like. See how it's kind of dull on this side, that doesn't have the cream on it, and then this side does. I can't wait to put this one into my rotation and try it out. I've been really loving the products so far that I've tried out from it, and obviously they are always cruelty free too, which I really am happy about. So here we have a product by Wander Beauty. It is their Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It contains a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, the key, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by collagen clay, minimizing the appearance of large pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, cleaner, and brighter complexion. This does retail for $34. I do you know, face mask reviews and kind of tutorials, and I put that in a separate video. So be on the lookout of this. I can't wait to try this out in an upcoming video. Ooh, look how pretty these are. I'm super excited to get some lashes in the box. So these are by Lily Lash, and they're exclusive faux mink gala lashes. So when you want that super extra drama going on, add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition faux mink gala pair of Lily lashes. The wing style with cruelty-free love lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. And these retail, well, this one pair retails for $24.99. It better last me 20 wears. I am really looking forward to this, and I am glad that they did the faux mink on these. We have 2 nail polishes by Deborah Lippmann. You have the O'Donnell, which is this kind of sparkly copper here. And then you have kind of this mauve color, which is Modern Love. The dual, and what it says is dual patent formula, and the new Deborah Lippmann 2-piece set lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the efforts of a gel polish without the damage. Love that. Retail price for the 2 of these together is $20, and I already have some shades that are really close to this, so I think I am going to put these in my upcoming giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you're subscribed so you know about the giveaway that's coming up soon. Here we have the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. It's a moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. Retail price is $24. And here's what it kind of looks like. It does have a magnetic closure here. Love the sound of that. And then here's what it looks like. It's in the shade Mocha. I think this is really pretty. Let's do a little swatch here. It's gorgeous, you guys. Here's what that looks like. This is gonna be so pretty. So one of the things I really want to work on this year is kind of upping my eyebrow game, and I think this one's going to help. So this is the Iconic Eyebrow Cushion, and what it says here is give your brows the wow they deserve with the Iconic Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half the effort. This highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly with the angled brush, makes for precise application each time. And here is what the package kind of look like. It's kind of like super reflective. Don't want to blind you guys. And then let's just open this up. It does have, you know, kind of a mirror on this side. And then here it has, so here's your cushion. And then it also has this tool, and I like how this tool is foldable. So on one side you have your little spoolie, and then you have a detailed angled brush on this side. And it just kind of folds right up, and there's a little compartment for it. So let's open this up, and then, you know, it has a little safety seal in here. See if we can get that. Here's what that looks like. Let's give that just a little swatch here. So here is your lighter color, and then here is your darker color. And I'm assuming we'll let that kind of dry just a minute and check it to make sure that it does, you know, obviously dry down. Right now it's super liquidy. This is really, really cushiony here. So here we have 2 brushes from Moda Brushes. It's a Power and Soft Glow Kit. Your new Moda 2-piece Powder and Soft Glow Kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-tone synthetic brush hair makes this brush set the perfect addition for your brush collection. The retail price of this set, so the 2 of them together, is $29.99. And so this one here, look how pretty this handle is, you guys. It's pretty densely packed. And so this is your powder one, and you're gonna pat for a translucent powder onto the face to create a flawless finish. I really need some new face brushes, so I'm excited about this. And then this one here is your soft glow. This is super soft, so this is not dense at all. So sweep for a luminous glow onto the high planes of your face, using it as a highlighter for a lift from within look. I almost want my highlighters brushes to be a little more dense, but I think this will be perfect for wiping away, you know, any fallout that you might have, or for also wiping away extra powder off of from when you bake. So these did dry down, you know, they were really liquid at first and then they dried down. I am excited for this last item in the box. It is the 15N Night Master, and it's an eyeshadow palette by Morphe. That photo that I showed you earlier in the video that I created for that Jimmy Buffett concert, I used my other Morphe palette that I do have, which is the James Charles palette, and I used that to create that kind of a rainbow kind of look. And then, so I am going on a college visits for my son. He's a junior in high school. His spring break is next week. We're gonna go look at 7 different schools in kind of the western United States, meet with some college coaches because he is a cross country and track runner. And so I kind of was looking for an eyeshadow palette that'll have some neutrals and maybe a little bit of color for some kind of night looks. So I'm hoping that that's what this is. So what this says is, indulge in infinite looks. The mirrored palette features 15 crazy creamy powerfully pigmented shades so you can mix and match and blend the rules. Retail price is $16. And I know that you had 4 different choices that you could have gotten. Ooh, and I am loving this. Okay, so here is what this looks like. You know, you've got these pretty kind of coppery colors. You got some purple tones, you know, your neutrals. This is going to be a great palette for me to take on my trip. Let's just do a couple swatches here. I'm really drawn to this creamy one here. It kind of matches kind of a little bit what I got going on my eyes now. How gorgeous that is, you guys. And then let's do this illustrated, which is this one here. And here's that one. And then let's kind of do maybe this matte glide. It's kind of a rose colored. That one there, which is with this one. And then let's do this one here. I'm really drawn to these purples, and it's Excuse Me is the color. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. I think that this, I think I can just take this palette and not take any other eyeshadows, and it hopefully, you know, will save me room, which my husband will love if I save room in the suitcase. The total retail price of this box was $302.99. Not bad for like a $49 box. My favorites, I think, are going to be obviously the Morphe palette I really loved, the Cover FX palette I loved, and I think that for this skincare, I have been really loving it. They are just, they're great. And I've really noticed a difference in the products that I've used so far. Absolutely loving this. Cannot wait to try this guy out. What were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It really does mean a lot to me when you do subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.